Today I tried a completely new way of traveling. By ferry between the Canary Islands. It's actually the most popular form of transport here. We're going from Tenerife to Gran Canaria. The ferry travels at around 30 knots. That's over 55 kilometers per hour. If we were sailing on Athena Blue, we'd need at least 6 to 8 hours depending on the wind. By ferry, just 1 hour 40 minutes. Impressive, right?
Цікаво, чому тут немає людей. Можливо, вони ще не на борту, але людей взагалі немає. Йдемо дивитись, що тут є ще.
What surprised me? You can bring your car on board, choose where to sit like in a cozy cafe, and just enjoy the ocean through panoramic windows. There are 2 ferry companies with up to 4 crossings per day on this route alone. Follow for the next chapter at sea.
Я дуже рада, що обрала такий спосіб.
And me, I'm already on Gran Canaria and heading straight to our Athena Blue.